Hey you guys, it's Sugar. I hope my sugar babies are doing amazing. And if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button because without that step, you cannot be a sugar baby. And we want you in the family. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like and comment. Make sure to hit the bell so you know when I'm putting out this work. Okay? And today we're going to be doing a wig review. I decided to buy a curly wig. I know we haven't done that yet on the channel, and honestly, spring is my time of the year, and I just feel like if you don't have glitters and pastels, greens and blues, and curls, you're not enjoying this experience. So I went ahead and picked up the Sensational Butta lace, and this is the Butta unit number 5. So, and we got her in a number 1. So we're gonna try her on and see what she's looking like. Let's get into the wig construction real quick. So we get a little bit of lace. I'd say about an inch and a half of lace. 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. So they're not specifying how deep the part is, but I'm gonna say that's about 5 to 6 inches. Hey you guys, so this is her on with the lace still attached. I'm seeing some little baby hairs. They're not too much, which is great. She has a really nice natural feel, just like natural hair. The luster is great. It's not shiny or plastic looking. I really wanted this in a off black because I just feel like that would give it a super natural look. But they only had black, like a jet black, so that's what I got. But it is really cute. I love the length. That is everything. So let's go ahead and cut off the lace and see what it's all about. Okay you guys, so this is what it's looking like with no got to be glued or anything on it. I just put a little bit of my foundation, like whatever was on my foundation brush. I just kind of rubbed it on the inside. And that's not bad. That's pretty good. And then hopefully we can melt it down even more with the got to be glued. But I also want to clarify that it is 5 inches of parting space. So just so I'm not giving misinformation, it's 5 inches of parting space. Okay. So let's go ahead and put our got to be glued on. I'm using the gel. Look at the hairline, you guys, with no baby hairs. It looks so good. But okay, so now the part is actually looking pretty good, but I'm gonna put powder in it. I'll use the 330 from the Fit Me and coconut, and just okay, you guys, so I think I want to do baby hairs. We're gonna go ahead and pluck her just a little bit. So now that I've tweezed it a little bit, I would usually go in with this foam right here, but I am out. I think it wasted or something like that. Let's see. Okay, it's still some in the pump. Ooh, okay, so I would just put it here. We're just gonna comb it back. To kind of be back and off my face, so I'm gonna foam it a little bit more and then I'm gonna tie it down. Okay, and after I tie it up, I'm just gonna let it sit there for about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, love, so it's been about 5 minutes. So I got her for $33, which was a steal in my opinion, because I believe it usually runs like $64 or something like that, but I love it, you guys, so much. And she feels great, you guys, so lightweight, so bouncy. I cannot even feel that I have a wig on. I think it is big head friendly because she has a really nice stretch to her. I just want to say really quickly that this is a style option. When you have it this way, you can't even tell that it has a part in it. I just feel like it's cuter on me this way, but it's cute either way. Don't get me wrong, I'm gonna wear it both ways. But this is also a style option for girls that maybe don't like middle part or don't feel like they can do a middle part. That's the great thing about the curly hair, is you can just kind of throw it and toss it whichever way you want, and nobody can really say anything to you. So I just wanted to say that really quickly. So I hope everyone's having an immaculate Easter Sunday weekend. If you can, before Sunday, I hope I have this up. Today is Friday. Before Easter, maybe you can run out and grab it. This is the wig, y'all. I love this. So she's hot. So I will see you guys next time. Please like the video on your way out. Feel free to ask anything in the comments. I love talking to you guys, and stay safe as always, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, babies.